Organizations spend a lot of time protecting all their data, but what's important is to look at the sensitive business information and spend resources on protecting that, rather than every byte of data and public information that an organization has. We look at this as a strategy of protecting what matters. Joining me today is Kurt Romer. And Kurt, can you share with everyone how IT teams can actually define an approach to protect what matters?
Sure, thanks, Stacy. When you take a look at protecting what matters, who knows what matters most? It's the business units. It's the people who are actually using the applications that are accessing the sensitive data. So from an IT perspective, you need to have solutions in place that are very business focused and focused on the user experience as well. Behind the scenes, those particular applications and solutions need to be powered so that when you need to protect what matters, it's automated. The users don't have to think about turning a security solution on and then turning it off when they're going on to other work. It needs to be completely built in.
Kurt, do we trust in the cloud? So what's actually safe to put in the cloud?
When you take a look at the cloud is very similar to a lot of other mobile devices. We had similar concerns when laptops were rolled out, and there were also similar concerns over USB keys. Just like anything else, unencrypted data that's stored in a insecure location is subject to loss and can cause some real problems. We need to make sure that as we use the cloud, we understand where encryption should be applied, and companies need to own their own encryption keys. We have that capability within ShareFile so that as people utilize ShareFile to save data out to the cloud, they can own their own keys, it can be protected, and that data is protected regardless of whether it's in the cloud or on a mobile device with the same level of rigor.
So how else can Citrix help customers in this mobile and cloud world?
Really taking a look at what customers are trying to do in terms of protecting their data and helping them to think differently by providing a highly automated solution where people just pick up their devices, use them naturally the way they would, and security is embedded. It's really our secure by design mantra. So when someone picks up a device that's powered by Zen Mobile, it can be their BYO device or an enterprise device. As they go in and click on company applications, those applications run within an encrypted container. They can even be set up to only access data that's within the encrypted container and only with specified applications. That data is completely synchronized and backed up, and it's controlled from further distribution by Zen Mobile and by ShareFile acting in concert. Furthermore, you have NetScaler back behind the solution, powering the network and making sure that an application-specific VPN is set up automatically for each of the applications that need it. So if you're using something that has very strong compliance requirements, it's automated and built in. Really what we've done is we've made security transparent and we've made it much more powerful by making it user-focused.
Thanks, Kurt, for joining us today.
Thank you, Stacy.